I have a speed queen dryer that shuts off after approximately 10 minutes with the heat on. When the heat is off, it runs for the entire cycle. I have replaced the cycling thermostat, checked the heating coil and high temp therm for continuity. The exhaust and intake vents are clean and then the drum rotates freely.
If the unit is shutting off when the unit heat, can you restart the dryer again immediately, or do you need to wait for a bit before you can start the dryer again? Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
We have to wait for the machine to cool down approximately 10 to 15 minutes before it will restart. The timer continues to run while we are waiting.
Okay, then you have a common issue with these units, and it means that your motor itself is starting to go out or the vent on your dryer is clogged. The heat in combination with the heat from the motor is tripping the internal thermal cutout on the motor. The issue is borderline right now, which is why it runs without heat, but you need to disconnect the vent from the back of the dryer and run a cycle with heat to see if it still cuts out. If not, then your vent through the house just needs to be cleaned out. If it still cuts out, your motor is in the beginning phases of going out and needs to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thank you. I have ran it with the vent line disconnected. Ran for approximately 14 minutes instead of 10. Both intake and exhaust vents are clean. So that leaves worst case, motor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.